Let's make one of our old-time favorite snacks, peanut butter cookies. There are many peanut butter cookie recipes out there. This may be the recipe that you use, but let's get this recipe started. What I have that I'm gonna use today is 1 cup of peanut butter, a half cup of butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 egg, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So let's get this started. Okay, so I went ahead and preheated my oven to 350, and we're going to go ahead and cream together the peanut butter, the butter, both sugars until it's smooth. So let's go over here and do that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add the egg and the vanilla. Make sure you don't get any, I know I'm going to crack these in a bowl, but make sure you don't get any eggshells in the mix. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is a half teaspoon, so I'm going to add 2 of these. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and mix this up. Okay, see how the mixture looks? It's smooth. So now we're going to go ahead and add the flour and the baking soda and the baking powder. Okay, y'all, those are all the ingredients. And you want to mix that in, stir it in. Okay, so this is what the cookie dough looked like. I went ahead and lined my baking sheet with parchment paper. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and scoop this in. I like kind of big cookies. I don't like them to be too small. A nice size. So we're going to scoop these in. I like them spread it out, give them a little room to spread. And you can get plenty of cookies out of this. It just depends on how big you make them. Like I said, I like mine big. And you're going to take a fork and press down. I'm going to press all of them down and then place them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. And these are your old-fashioned peanut butter cookies. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven, and I'll return to let you see how they turned out. Okay, so this is what they look like when they come out of the oven, and you want to place them on a cooling rack. When the cookies start to get dark around the edges, they're ready to come out. And I'm going to go ahead and put the second batch in. Okay, so this is it. This is my peanut butter recipe. If you're new to cooking and this is your first time trying a peanut butter cookie, this is a very easy recipe. Like I say, this may be the recipe that a lot of people use. So it's very simple and easy. I did get 14 cookies out of this batch, and they turned out very good. So if you like this recipe, comment below. Let me know how you feel about it, if you're going to try it, and if you try it, let me know how it came out for you. Like, follow, please comment, share my video. See you in the next one.